Namaskar children, I Shraddha ma'am from New Era Global Kids. Welcome you all to our LKG English class. Let us start our class with a prayer. Om Bhurvasvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Bhurvasvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. ॐ Rub your hands, children, and put them on your eyes. Open your eyes slowly. Namaskar, everyone. Let us start our class with an interesting activity. Okay, children. So, which are our 5 vowels? A, E, I, O, and U. So, for now, which vowels have we already finished, children? A, E, I, O CVC words, and here I have an activity ready for you. I have taken the flashcards, small cards of all the alphabets and vowels A, E, I, O. Okay, because we have done these CVC words A, E, I, O. And do you see, children, as you have seen in the presentation also, all our consonants are in blue and all our vowels are in red color. Okay, blue and red color. But when we saw the presentation, what was it? All the vowels are blue in color and all the consonants were red in color. Okay, now what are we going to do with this activity, children? We are going to make CVC words. We are going to make CVC words. So let us begin, children. Which letter is this? A, E, I, O. A says A, E says E, O. A, E, O. So let us begin to make some words with letter A. Short sound of letter A. So I will take here A and T. At, hat, hat. Next word I will make is apple, apple, napper, napper, nap, 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 nap. Next word, what will we make? At, mat, mat, at, mat. The next word I wish to make is apple, apple, mapper, mapper, app, map. Next is, okay, next word is jam, 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 jam. Next is the word, okay, I will take letter R, rag, 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 rag. Okay, let us begin our E sound CVC words. So what will I first take? I will take letter K, and then G, 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 keg, keg, egg, keg. Next word I will take is gem. Do you remember, children? We took this word from our textbook. It was gem. Although the sound of letter G is G. But how do you spell this word, children? Gem. Gem. Instead of G, it has the sound of J. Gem. 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 Here the sound of letter G is J. J. Okay. Next is pa. Pa. N. Pa. N. Pa. N. Pa. N. Pen. Pa. N. Pen. Okay. Next word, children. What will I take? Next word is, I will take ba. Egg. Ba. Egg, ba, egg, ba, egg, bag, bag, ba, egg, bag. Now we will move on to our I sound words, which is the sound of letter I. What will I take here? I will take pa, I, g, pa, I, g, pa, I, g, pig, 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 pig. Next word I will take is ba, I, ba, ba, I, ba, ba, I, ba, biba, biba, baib, bib. Next word we will take is zippa, 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 zipa, zipa, zip, zip. Next word I will take is pa, I, n, pa, I, n, pa, I, n, pa, in, pin, pa, in, pin. Now we will move on to letter O. What is the sound letter O says? O. O says O. O says O. So what will I take? I will take letter J. Og. J. Og. J. Og. Jog. 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 Next I will take is letter. Next I will take is J. O. B. J. O. B. J. O. B. Job. 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 Next I wish to take op. K. Op. Cop. 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 Next word is p. Ought. P. Ought. P. Ought. Pot. Pot. P. Ought. Pot. So what did we do, children? We learned today, children. We made the words using the CVC. We made the CVC words using the vowels and the consonant cards. What did we make in the A sound has a, n, app, y, am, n, app, nap, y, am, yam. Then we went to letter E. Which vowel is this? Letter E says a. E says a. Which word did we make for letter E? T, n, t, n, ten, ten, t and ten, ha, hem. Next we moved on to letter I. This is the vowel I. I says E. Which words did we make? Ikba, 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 niba, ibnib, zikpa, 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 zip, zip. And the last was O. Vowel O says O. O says O. J, O, G, J, O, G, J, O, G, jog, 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 k, O, b, k, O, b, k, O, b, k, ob, cob, k, ob, cob. So what did we do? Once again, with the use of the vowel and consonant cards, we did the CVC words of letter A, E, I, O. These are our vowels. These are our vowels. What is our today's classwork and homework, children? After the activity, now we are back to our classwork and homework, and our classwork and homework is in your notebook. You can write and do the similar activity, or with the help of your parents you can do dictation. So first of all we will write CW and HW and today's date. And what does our heading say, children? It says read the words. Read the words. Fill in the circle of the matching word. What do you have to do? You have to fill in the color in the circle of the matching word. But before that you have to read both the options given, see what the picture is, and then fill the color in the circle. So we will begin with which is of a mat. It is the picture of a mat. Mat. What is this written here? Let us read. Met matlab milna. And then this is written at mat. So children, tell me, out of these two, which is the correct sound of this picture? At met or at mat? It is at mat. So I will color this circle, okay? Because the picture is of mat. What do? We sit on the mat, or we use the door mat outside the door. Next is, read this along with me, children. Hot, pot. So look at this picture. What does it tell you, children? It says that whatever liquid is in the cup is very hot. So out of these two, tell me, children, which is the correct word of this picture? Is it hot or hot pot? It is hot. Therefore, I will color this circle. Now let us read these two. Bed. Out of these two, children, which is the matching picture? This is the picture of a cot. This is a baby cot where babies sleep and rest. So I will color this circle saying that this is the picture of a cot. What do you see in this picture, children? That the apple has been eaten. It has been bitten. So let us read the two words. Bita, 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 bita. heater. B 8 hit. Out of these two children, which is the matching word? Is it hit? Hit मतलब ऐसे मारना, hit, or is it bit? Bit मतलब काटना. So this is the correct word. Therefore, I will color this circle saying that this word is matching the picture. But 8 bit. Next is the picture of nod. Nod. So out of these two, which word do you think is the correct CVC word of the picture nod? Net or nod. Is it net or nod? It is nod. Therefore, I will color this circle. Next is the picture of, let us read now. First we will read. Skipper, skipper, seeper, seeper, sip. The ipper, dip. Now do you see the picture, children? What do you see here? Is it sipping picture or dipping picture? Dip हो रहा है कि sip हो रहा है या dip? It is dip. So I will color this circle. Okay, children? It says that this is the picture of dip. Okay, next is yellow corn. Yellow corn. And what is this? Corn of the cob. Corn of the cob. So, let us first read both the words. Ka-up, 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 cob, ka-up, 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 cob. Who is a cob? Who is a cop? We have seen in the previous videos also in our flashcard. Who is a cop? Cop is a policeman. And what is this? This is cob. So this is the matching word to the picture. Cob. Cob. Which picture is this, children? This is the picture of a bin. Bin. Now let us read the two words given. Tin, tin, and the next word is bin. So out of these two children, which is the correct word for this picture? Is it tin or is it bin? Tin, bin. This is the correct word to the picture. Therefore, I will color the circle. This circle of bin. Next is, let us read the two words, children. Pet, 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 pet. Next is pot, 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 pot. Who is a pet, children? Animals. Pet animals which stay with us in our house are our pets. And what is this? Pot. So this is the correct word. Therefore, I will color this circle which says that this is the picture of a pot. Next is the then. And next is the spelling of pen. Is this the picture of a den or a pen? Den, pen. This is the picture of a den. And who lives in a den, children? A lion lives in a den. Bear lives in a den. A tiger lives in a den. Next is pet, pod. Out of these two, which is the spelling which is related to this picture? What have I told you, children? This is the picture of pod. Pod. These are the peas and this is the pod. Therefore, I will color this circle, which says this is the picture of pod. Next is pan, 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 pen. So out of these two, which is the correct spelling of pen? Pan or pen? Pan, pen. This is the correct spelling of pen. Next will be, who is he, children? Who is he? These are the people who protect us. They take care of us. Who are they? They are cops. Cops. Cops are policemen. So out of these two children, without reading, can you identify which is the correct spelling of cop? Cop, cap or cop? This is cap, this is cop. So this is the correct spelling of cop. Therefore, I will color this circle. This spelling says that this is the picture of a cop. Who is a cop? Cop is a policeman. Next is the picture of a map. Map. Apple. Mat or map? Mat or map? This is the picture of a map. Picture of a map. Okay. Next is jog. 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 Log. Is this the picture of jog or is this the picture of log? This is the picture of jog. Therefore, what will I do, children? Color this circle. And which is the last picture? Is it leg or is it log? Leg, log. Out of these two, which is the correct spelling of log? This is the correct spelling of log. Okay, children. So I have colored this circle. So what did we do today once again? We did reading of the words, then recognizing the picture and circle the correct word. Sorry, color the circle which has the correct word. Okay, children. This is your classwork and the same can be your homework. Or with the help of your parents, you can write some more dictation words. So what did we learn? We learned today, these are the pictures of A, E, I,